Learn English to Gujarati. See and
જોવું.
with funny stories and easy practice. Welcome to the Great Eye Adventure. Hey, you are about to train your brain, your ears, and your imaginary comedy goggles. Today, you will learn how to say see and several related forms in Gujarati without boring your soul. First, the superstar verb, to see is.
જોવું.
Picture a potato wearing tiny glasses and proudly announcing, "At last, I can."
જોવું.
Exclamation mark single quote. Now we stretch the idea. I would see, is.
હું જોત.
You would see, is.
તમે જોશો.
He would see, is.
તે જોત.
She would see, is.
તે જોતી હોત.
We also have a sneaky cousin, would look, is.
લાગતું હોત.
And because language loves surprises, we will also visit farming land. We would sow, is.
અમે વાવીએ હોત.
You all saw, is.
તમે બધા જોયું.
And they sowed, is.
તેઓએ વાવ્યું.
Yes, we came for sight words and accidentally found a farm. This is now an educational festival. Your core word today. Let's make the main word feel easy and familiar. Say it with me like you just spotted free snacks. The base verb is.
જોવું.
Equals see. I can see the moon. In Gujarati, hold on to the key action word.
જોવું.
We want to see the movie. Again, the core idea is.
જોવું.
If your popcorn sees you first, remain calm. They see a bird in the tree. The basic meaning remains.
જોવું.
Memory trick. Think, Joe, view, and connect that playful sound to.
જોવું.
Not perfect, but your brain likes weird things. A hill, fog, and conditional drama. Now you will hear the forms in a tiny story. Imagine a windy hill, dramatic fog, and people who really need better visibility. You stand on a hill with a group of very serious people and one completely unserious goat. The fog is thick. You say, if the fog moved.
હું જોત.
Single quote. Your friend points ahead and says, from here.
તમે જોશો.
The river. A guide with a dramatic scarf adds, with more light.
તે જોત.
The road. Then everyone turns to a woman holding binoculars the size of frying pans. Without the clouds.
તે જોતી હોત.
The sea at sunrise. Suddenly the goat climbs a rock, stares nobly into the distance, and somehow looks wiser than everybody. Honestly, it.
લાગતું હોત.
Better as the tour guide. Mini dialogue practice. You listen, you smile, you repeat. That is the deal. A. What is the Gujarati word for see? B.
જોવું.
A. If the fog lifted, what would you say for, I would see? B.
હું જોત.
A. If I open the curtain, what happens? B.
તમે જોશો.
A. Could he see the village in clear weather? B.
તે જોત.
A. And she? B.
તે જોતી હોત.
A. In blue, would the room look nicer? B. Yes, it.
લાગતું હોત.
Nicer. When the story suddenly becomes agricultural. You did not ask for farming vocabulary, but vocabulary has its own mysterious weather system. Let's plant some words. The same group from the foggy hill now walks into a field, because apparently no one has a schedule. One farmer says, if we had seeds and rain.
અમે વાવીએ હોત.
Single quote. Another points to the soil and says, yesterday.
તેઓએ વાવ્યું.
Single quote. Then the teacher turns to the whole class and says, the rainbow appeared over the field and.
તમે બધા જોયું.
Single quote. Congratulations. You came to learn, see, and now you can also talk about possible sewing, past sewing, and group witnessing. That is called educational abundance. Funny memory hooks. Your brain remembers strange pictures better than tidy charts. So let's give it some glorious nonsense. 4.
જોવું.
Imagine giant cartoon eyes opening curtains. 4.
હું જોત.
Imagine you on tiptoe saying, if I were taller.
હું જોત.
Exclamation mark single quote. 4.
તમે જોશો.
Imagine a magician saying, wait for it.
તમે જોશો.
And then a chicken appears from a hat. 4.
તે જોત.
Imagine a man with telescope glasses saying he would totally see it, if only his hat were not over his eyes. 4.
તે જોતી હોત.
Imagine a woman at a lighthouse saying she would see the ship if the fog stopped being dramatic. 4.
લાગતું હોત.
Imagine a cat in sunglasses. Everything.
લાગતું હોત.
Cooler with cat sunglasses. 4.
અમે વાવીએ હોત.
Imagine your whole team tossing seeds like confetti. 4.
તમે બધા જોયું.
Imagine a crowd yelling, yes,
તમે બધા જોયું.
after someone slips on a banana peel. 4.
તેઓએ વાવ્યું.
Picture farmers planting seeds so enthusiastically that even their shoes start growing leaves. Quick quiz time. No stress. This is practice, not a courtroom drama. What is see in Gujarati?
જોવું.
How do you say, I would see?
હું જોત.
How do you say, you would see?
તમે જોશો.
How do you say, he would see?
તે જોત.
How do you say, she would see?
તે જોતી હોત.
How do you say, would look?
લાગતું હોત.
How do you say, we would sow?
અમે વાવીએ હોત.
How do you say, you all saw?
તમે બધા જોયું.
How do you say, they sowed?
તેઓએ વાવ્યું.
Your challenge. Now it is your turn to sound clever. You do not need perfection, you just need courage and maybe a dramatic eyebrow raise. Say this aloud. I would see the mountain using.
હું જોત.
Now say, you would see the garden using.
તમે જોશો.
Now try, he would see the road with.
તે જોત.
Now, she would see the stars with.
તે જોતી હોત.
Now a style sentence. It would look better with.
લાગતું હોત.
Now the farming bonus round. We would sow with.
અમે વાવીએ હોત.
Past group memory. You all saw it with.
તમે બધા જોયું.
And finally, they sowed with.
તેઓએ વાવ્યું.
Friendly conclusion. You made it, and your Gujarati is already looking stronger. Honestly, it.
લાગતું હોત.
Impressive even to the potato in glasses. Today you practiced.
જોવું. હું જોત. તમે જોશો. તે જોત. તે જોતી હોત. લાગતું હોત. અમે વાવીએ હોત. તમે બધા જોયું.
And.
તેઓએ વાવ્યું.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and use them in tiny sentences of your own. You are doing great, and every little review helps your Gujarati grow.